Have you ever wondered if the medications you take for high blood pressure affects your bedroom performance? Hello and welcome back to Healthy Living with Famkene, your go-to channel for health advice that is simple, concise and practical. We'll talk about high blood pressure medications and how it causes erectile dysfunction. Don't worry, I will also share tips on how to manage these side effects so you can live your healthiest life. High blood pressure or hypertension happens when the force of blood against your artery walls are too high. Over time, this can damage your blood vessels and lead to health complications like stroke, heart disease, or kidney problems. And that is why managing it with lifestyle changes and medications is important. Please ignore the background noise. Do you even know that high blood pressure itself can also cause erectile dysfunction by reducing blood flow to certain parts of the body? Also keep that in mind as we explore. Certain high blood pressure medications work by relaxing blood vessels or slowing down heart rate to reduce pressure. Even as this helps your heart, it can also reduce blood flow to certain parts of your body or interfere with the nerve signal needed for an erection to occur. Let me break it down. Some classes of antihypertensives like diuretics, also known as water pills. Example of these diuretics are diuretic, nomoretic, spironolactone, furosemide. These drugs help your body to get rid of excess water and salt. And once excess water and salt is removed from the body, the blood volume reduces, and this will also reduce the flow of blood to the penis and also lower zinc levels, which is responsible for testosterone production. Remember, erection occurs as a result of increased blood flow to the penis. The second one is beta blockers. Example of these beta blockers are propranolol, atenolol, bisoprolol, metoprolol, and aldelols. These medications slow your heart rate and reduce how hard the heart pumps blood. They can also dampen the nerve signal that is needed for sexual arousal. That is why you may experience poor erection with your partner if you are taking these antihypertensives. Other classes of antihypertensives that can cause erectile dysfunctions are calcium channel blockers. Examples of these ones are amlodipines, nifedipines. Even though these ones have lower risk of causing erectile dysfunction, but it's still something you need to discuss with your doctor. Also note that not everyone taking these medications will experience erectile dysfunction, but if you do, it doesn't mean you have to suffer in silence. There are options. Here is what you can do if you are on antihypertensives and you start noticing changes in your bedroom performance. First of all, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. If you are experiencing issues with erectile dysfunction after starting your antihypertensive medication, don't stop taking your medications on your own. Instead, talk to your healthcare provider. They may adjust your dose or switch you to a medication with fewer side effects. The second one is to focus on lifestyle changes. Healthy habits can sometimes reduce the needs for medications or improve erectile dysfunction symptoms. Here is what you can try. Eat a balanced diet. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Reduce your salt intake. Exercise regularly. Swimming, walking, running. These are exercises that are good for your heart health. Then quit smoking or alcohol. It's going to be very hard to reduce your blood pressure if you are a chain smoker or you consume lots of alcohol. The third one is seeking additional treatment. In some cases, your doctor might prescribe drugs like sildenafil, that is Viagra, to help manage your erectile dysfunction while still taking your antihypertensive medications. But this must be under medical supervision because Viagra itself can also elevate your blood pressure. The fourth one is to manage stress. Stress and anxiety can make erectile dysfunction worse. You can try relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, listening to music. All this can help you to manage stress. Trust me, high blood pressure and erectile dysfunction can feel like a tough combo, but the good news is that there are solutions. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance for your health. So talk to your doctor, make small changes in your lifestyle, and don't be afraid to seek help. It's nothing to be ashamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow me for more health tips to live your healthiest life. And also share this video to someone you think might need it. Until next time, stay safe and informed. Bye.